for our viewers that literally think that we can just turn a piece of material into a finished product, kind of give you guys a better understanding of what goes on behind the scenes. Like I've mentioned previously, we get a drawing and the customer gets the finished product, but the discussions that we're having here at Moxon to improve lead time, improve tool life, one of the things that we're proud of is keeping our tradespeople challenged, because if they're not challenged, they can get a bit stale, but really keeping challenged, learning more things. Technology's come a long way, tooling's come a long way. I hope that you've got something out of this little piece of content. Porus is our leading hand over the entire CNC section. He's not only programming, he's planning. Who do you train?
Yes, so we're training our apprentice. Also, because of the experience, whoever have the less experience on the CNC machine, trying to get them up to speed.
There you go. Porus is a real valued asset to our business.
Thank you.
And seeing his machines run and seeing things get made locally is also really good to see.